Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? I have a two good news is for all Theta Network holder, my friend. The first good news is from last 12 hour, my friend. The price is pumps up, and the second good news is very important. I'm going to explain this on 5th November. Very huge explosion is coming soon. Why experts says and what's why I tell you this, my friend. But kindly, please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. This is very important to you. Will subscribe this channel because if you want to earn money from crypto, my friend, you will need to subscribe this channel. 15,000 subscriber, my friend. You can see here that this channel will get, so that's mean to they are all trust, so kindly you will also need to subscribe this channel, my friends. This time in last 12 hour, all holders are starting buying, but my friends, this time as you can see here, so Theta Network price will pumps up. So many congratulations to short-term investor staff, my friends. I think this all credit goes to long-term investor, because short-term investor never stop selling. They absolutely starting selling at this time, because my brothers absolutely they will get a very huge profit in very short time. So therefore I'm 100% sure, my friends, so they will never starting selling, never stop selling. So therefore, my friends, this is the first good news for all of you. They will get a profit 0.66%. The price is increased in last 12 hour. And the second good news, my friend, for all of you is very important. On 5th November, the very huge explosion is coming soon. And because, my brothers, experts say so in upcoming time, every coin will moving upward, because after the 1st November, all currencies was very badly fell down. But my friend, Theta Network, because short-term investors stopped selling and they were starting buying, especially long-term investor. So therefore, after the 5th November, my friends, there is a chance to the price will pumps up. So kindly holders, please, you will also need, my friends, to hold it and wait for the 5th November, because when the price will pumps up, absolutely, if you are already long-term investor, then it's not a problem. But if you are a short-term investor, then buy it before, my friends, 5th November. I hope they will give you a very good profit. So see you next time, holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.